This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Linux on your Chromebook because Roblox needs a Linux environment when Play Store isn't available. Open Settings, turn on Linux Beta, and assign around 5 to 10 GB so installations don't fail. Once Linux is enabled, open the terminal and run apt update then apt upgrade to bring packages current. This prevents missing dependencies later. Make sure your Chrome OS version supports Linux. If not, update the device first before proceeding. Now you install Wine so the Windows Roblox installer can run. First add 32-bit support and required libraries using apt commands. Many Chrome OS builds need libfaudio and IA32libs equivalents. Then add the Wine repository appropriate for Debian and install the stable Wine package. Once installed, create a Wine prefix and run Wine to set Windows version and graphics settings. Test by installing a tiny Windows program like Notepad. This confirms Wine can run installers before you tackle Roblox. Finally, download the Roblox Windows installer inside your Linux environment and run it with Wine Roblox Player Launcher. exe. Follow the installer prompts as you would on Windows. Once installed, launch Roblox through Wine. If it crashes, enable a virtual desktop in Wine and increase graphics memory settings. If problems persist, update Chrome OS GPU drivers, ensure all 32-bit libraries are present, and inspect the Wine log for missing DLL.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.